Hello student, this is a video of Maths 1. Lesson number 2 is going on, that is the quadratic equations, and it is a video number 15 of the lesson quadratic equations. Today we will see the last point of this lesson, that is application of quadratic equation. Now in application of quadratic equation we are going to solve the word problems. This applications means it is related to the solving word problems. So different word problems are given. There we have to apply the theory of quadratic equation. So whenever you are solving these word problems, 2-3 important things you have to keep in mind. Whichever word problem is given, first you have to read it carefully. Not only one time. When you will read it first time, you will understand nothing from that. Then you have to read it at least 2 to 3 times. That means total at least 4 times you must read the word problem. Then the things which are given in the problem, it will be clear to you slowly. Not at once, but when you will read it at least 3 to 4 times, then everything will be clear to you and you will get clear idea to solve the example. So first important step of solving the word problem is read the example carefully at least 3 to 4 times. Then once you read the example and you understood the meaning of the example and what to do and how to do, then you will make the quadratic equation from the given information. So the second step is convert the word problem into quadratic equation. So the first is read the problem. Second important thing is that directly you will not get the answer from that word problem, but first you have to convert or form a quadratic equation. And once you get the quadratic equation, then you can use any method, maybe factorization, maybe completing square, maybe formula method. You can use any method and solve it. You will get the solution for the problem. So here I will show you the first example from the exercise. You keep your textbook open in front of you to read the problems which are given in the exercise. See here the first word problem. The product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. Find her present age. One more time you read the example. Product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. Find her present age. Now you read it for 2 times of your own. And now we will solve it. So see what is given. The textbook keep open in front of you. I am not writing here the problem. So example should be in front of you. Now see what is given. The product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. So let the Pragati's present age be x, because they asked you to find her present age. They asked you to find out her present age and we don't know the present age. We have to find out it. So we'll say let Pragati's present age be x years. and her age 2 years ago, that means before 2 years. So from this you will get that means before 2 years, and it is x minus 2. Present is x, before 2 year means minus 2. X minus 2 years. Then and it is said in the question, see what is said in the question. Product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years, hence is 84. So 2 years ago, that is x minus 2, and 3 years, that means after 3 years. So here we will say and her age 3 years from present age, that means from now, the present, that means from now after 3 years it will be x plus 3. So present age is x, and from present age, that means it will be x plus 3 years. In the example, the condition is given the product, so we will take the product. And so by the condition, that means which is given in the example. In the example it is started with this sentence, product of Pragati's age. That means the product of these two ages, before 2 years and after 3 years. So we will write here x minus 2 multiply by x plus 3 equal to 84. Take the product of these two brackets. These are the two different terms. So take the product of these two brackets because it is said in the question. Step by step I will show you. X, the first term of the first bracket, will multiply each and every term of the second bracket. That means x multiply by whole second bracket minus 2 multiply by also complete second bracket equal to 84. You can avoid this step. Directly you can write the product. X multiply by x square plus 3x minus 2 multiply by x, that is 2x. 2 3s are 6 minus plus minus 6 is equal to 84. Similar terms 3x and 2x plus minus. So here plus minus minus, bigger number sign. So you get x square plus 1x minus 6 equal to 84. Now minus 6 and 84, you can see they are the constant term. So we want the example in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and so x square plus x minus 6 minus 84. 84 we shifted to the left side, remain equal to 0. Then x square plus x minus minus plus, for answer minus sign. So minus 90 is equal to 0. and here we come to the quadratic equation. This is a very important step. From the given word problem, first we have to convert it into the quadratic equation, and then you can solve it with any method of solving the quadratic equation. So here we reach to the quadratic equation. Now we will solve it with method of factorization. 90 ones are 90, product should be minus 90 and sum should be plus 1, and you get it 10 nines are 90. 10 nines are 90, product is 90. Sum should be plus 1. That means bigger number will have plus sign, smaller number will have minus sign. So minus plus minus, product will be minus, and plus minus minus, bigger number sign. 10 minus 9 equal to 1, plus 1, bigger number is 10. So you use the factorization method and solve it. X square plus 10x minus 9x equal to 0. Minus 9x minus 90 equal to 0. So this is first group and this is the second group. X is common. X plus 10 minus 9 is common. X out of the bracket, minus sign inside the sign will change, that is plus. 9 tens are 90 equal to 0. So x plus 10 is the common bracket, and another factor is x minus 9 equal to 0. X plus 10 equal to 0, x minus 9 equal to 0. So you got x is equal to minus 10 and x is equal to plus 9. Two solutions are there, minus 10 and plus 9. But you know, age we cannot consider in negative number. So the correct answer is plus 9. So here you have to write but age cannot be negative number, and so the age, Pragati's present age is 9 years. So this way you have to complete the word problems. First you have to read the word problem carefully, then convert it into the quadratic equation, and after that you will solve using the different methods of solving the quadratic equation. Once again you solve this example in your classwork notebook, and also try to complete the examples which you can complete. In the next video, I will show you few more examples. Thank you.